So in this video, guys, we're going to Target. It is December the 10th. My total of the register was $178, and I only spent $44 in total. That is an 80% in savings. I did all of this by just using my phone. No paper coupons needed. All of this is either digital coupons or just rebate apps. So there is a principal breakdown in the description box. No need to write any of those deals down. You can either print it off or you can just pull it up on your phone in the store. Now, if you're not part of any of the rebate apps that I'm talking about in this video, please look for them in the description box. Let's go ahead and get started on some deals. Hey guys, I've made my way over to a Target for my Sunday haul, and I want to share my favorite deal of the day. So my favorite deal is on the Arm & Hammer this week. Now this is part of the spend 50 get a $15 gift card. Now you may see the Arm & Hammer 77 loads for $9.59, but I'll just go down here and get the one that is 105 loads for $9.59. Let me show you what to do. So when you pick up the Arm & Hammer for $9.59, you're going to get 5 of those. And when you get 5 of those, you'll be able to submit to IBOTTA for $4 back on each one. So that'll be $20 back on IBOTTA when you buy 5 of those. But the problem with this deal is you don't have enough to reach the spend 50, get a $15 gift card. So let me show you what else to do. Then you're going to pick up one of these Tide to Go pens. This is like a filler item. And when you do, you'll have enough. There's also a $1 IBOTTA rebate that you can rebate on the app, so you'll be able to rebate those Arm & Hammers and also rebate the Tide to Go pen, but that's not all. So the register, it leaves you paying $50.74. But after the spend 50, get a $15 gift card and the $4 back on all 5 of those Arm & Hammers, which is $20, and the $1 back on IBOTTA, you're just going to pay $14.74 for $50 worth of product, or $2.46 per item. Let me know if you score. Got some great deals this week on cat food. The Fancy Feast is going to be just 60 cents each. They're $1.19 each. You're going to pick up 2 of them. Your total is going to be $2.38. There is a 20% when you buy one of the cat food items, which is 48 cents off. So it'll come off at the register. That 48 cents will come off. Your total will be $1.90. And then you're going to submit to IBOTTA for 50 cents when you buy 2. In addition to that, there is 2 10 cents IBOTTA rebates. So that's 70 cents on IBOTTA, making it $1.20 for the Fancy Feast, or 60 cents each. We have a new kitty in our house, so these broths are really great to add to the hard food to make it a little softer for her. So these are $1.49 each. We're going to pick up 3 of them to make this deal work. The total will be $4.47. There is a 20% off on the pet food, which is 89 cents. So that will come off at the register, and your total at the register will be $3.58. Now, there is a $1 IBOTTA rebate when you buy 3 of these. This is an awesome rebate on these, but in addition to that, there's also a 50 cents bonus because we were able to buy multiple of the Fancy Feasts. So you'll be getting back $1.50 from IBOTTA instead of just $1 because you do get that bonus. Now, your total after all of that is going to be $2.08, or about 69 cents per Fancy Feast broth. So I have an additional spend 50, get a $15 gift card. I did it already with the Arm & Hammer, and just a disclaimer, I always do these in separate transactions. It just works out best that way. And also I wanted to tell you that in the principal breakdown, these are labeled as purple. So this is the 7th generation breakdown. This was amazing. $50 for all this. I only paid $14.39, 11 items here, or I paid $1.31 each. That is insane after $50. So here's what I did. You can mix and match, but this is what I did. So the first thing I did was I got 5 of these 7th generations dish soaps. Now, these are my favorite dish soaps. I love the orange smell. These are $3.69. I picked up 5 of these. So at the register, my total was $18.45. There's no coupons on this, but I was able to submit to IBOTTA for $1 back on each one. Now, getting $1 back on each one, that's getting $5 back on IBOTTA. So far, we've gotten $18.45 worth and gotten back $5 from IBOTTA. Then, my favorite all-purpose cleaner is the 7th generation all-purpose cleaner. It's the one that has like the citronella, the chamomile in it. These are $4.49. I picked up 5 of these as well. My total was $22.45 at the register. Then I went on over to IBOTTA. There's another IBOTTA rebate for $1 back on the cleaning products. So I was able to submit it 5 times, just like I did for the dish soap. So right now, I have $40 worth of products between the dish soap and the all-purpose cleaner. So then I went over and got 1 bottle of the 7th generation laundry detergent. I have never, ever used this laundry detergent before. This is $12.99. I'm excited about it because I love all their other products. So we'll see how this works. So $12.99 on this. Then I went over to IBOTTA. There is an IBOTTA rebate for $2.50 back. This could be dumped to 5 times, but I only needed 1 to reach my threshold of $50 to get back that $15 gift card. So I got back that $2.50 from IBOTTA. So all in all, I got back 3 different rebates with the 7th generation, but there's more. In addition to that, on Fetch is on fire right now. It is amazing. On Fetch, every time you spent $16, you got back 4,000 Fetch points or $4, which is equivalent to $12. So I got back $12 on Fetch for buying these products. But don't forget, we're going to get back that $15 gift card. So with everything on here, the IBOTTA rebate, the Fetch rewards, and the gift card. Remember, there's no clip coupons. These are all digital. And there's no even coupons for this, really. It's just rebates and gift cards. We only spent $1.31 per item of this 7th generation. And this stuff is a little pricey. But all in all, very good deal. Remember in the printable breakdown that it is labeled, marked in purple for you guys. And if you're loving my videos, please make sure that you are commenting your favorite deal of the day and you're sharing these videos with your friends. So even if you don't have a kitty and you are a donator like me, this is a great item to donate to your local animal shelter or even to the local food bank, because people who have animals do go to the food bank and they would love to have this for their animals. So this Friskies cat food is $5.29. There is a 20% off on the Target app, which is going to be $1.06 with the 20% off. In addition, there is a $1.50 on the app. So you're going to pay at the register with that coupon and that 20% off, $2.73 at the register. Then you can head on over to Shopkicks with this Scans and Kicks. It's 385 Scans and Kicks, which is equivalent to $1.54. So with the Shopkicks, the 20% off and the coupon, you're going to pay just $1.19. Great item to donate. So the next items we have for you are part of the buy 4, get a $5 Target gift card on beauty and personal products. It will be orange on the printable breakdown, so make sure you check that out. And in order for you to find the printable breakdown, just look for it in the description box. Also, comment your favorite deal of the day and make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to this video. So the first thing we're going to do is get these Dove hand soaps. Now, these Dove hand soaps are a family favorite because it's like the foamy hand soap. Picking up 4 of these, they're $4.19 each. Your total is going to be $16.76. All right, now, they are 10% off. So 10% off is equivalent to $1.67 for the 10% off. So your total at the register is going to be $15.09. Also, you're going to get back that $5 gift card after your transaction. We have a $1 IBOTTA rebate for these, and we're getting 4 bottles. So that $1 IBOTTA rebate, we're going to get back 4 times. So that's $4 back for us. In addition to that, when you are on Fetch, every time you spend $8, you're going to get back $2. So on Fetch, because we spent $8 twice, we got back $4 from Fetch. So with the 10% off, the $5 gift card, the IBOTTA rebate of $4, the Fetch of $4, is going to leave you to pay just $2.09 for all 4 bottles, or about 52 cents per bottle of Dove hand soap. Awesome, awesome deal. Got a yummy deal on the Oreo bars. They're usually $5.39, but they're on sale right now for $4.19. Now, there is a spend, I want to say 50, get back a $10 gift card on food items, but I'm not one to buy a bunch of food items, at Target. So I didn't do this, but you could if you wanted to. However, there is a 5% back, big ballers over at Target right now, when you buy these items. So that's going to be about 21 cents that will be taken off at the register. So it'll be $3.98 at the register. Then you're going to head over to IBOTTA. There is a $2 IBOTTA rebate. Now, if this is something you would like to stock up on, pretty decent deal. You can get a bunch of these for whatever get-together, whatever you have. So you'll get the $2 IBOTTA rebate on these. In addition to that, there is a Shopkick rebate. Now, this Shopkick rebate is for 425 scans and kicks, which is equivalent to $1.70. So that $1.70 is going to come off with the IBOTTA rebate, and also that 5% off. It's going to make these Oreo bars just 28 cents, which is an amazing deal on some yummy treats that started off at like $5. So only 28 cents on these. So got a decent deal on the Starry soda by Pepsi. This used to be the Sierra Mist, but now it's Starry, and these are going to be just $2.72 each. This is a great deal because they're usually $7.19. I would never spend that much money on soda, but here's the deal. You're going to pick up 3 cases. It's going to total you at $18 altogether. There is a, this also goes with the save $10 when you buy $50 worth of products, and then I didn't do that, but you can save 20% on this. So 20% on this is $3.60. So that $3.60 is going to come off of the register. It's going to cost you $14.40. Then on IBOTTA, you can submit this 3 times because you're getting 3 packs. That's $1.50 each. So $1.50 each is going to cost $4.50 for all 3 packs. And then in addition to that, you're going to head on over to Fetch, and you're going to submit your receipt for Fetch, which is going to be about $1.75 on Fetch. Now, this is a one-time done deal on Fetch. It's not a multiple, submit for that. So $1.75. So all in all, your total is going to be $8.15 for these, or about $2.72 for each pack of Starry. Now we have another buy 4, get a $5 gift card on some of the beauty products. And if you look in the printable breakdown, it will be labeled in a regular blue color for you guys for these items. These are all recommendations from me. These are the best deals I can find in the store, and you can mix and match whatever you think, but this is what I think you should get. So first thing is going to be on the Colgate Optic White. The Colgate Optic White, the cheapest one they have at Target is $4.99 for this one. So already, so there is a 15% on the Target app on the Colgate Optic White toothpaste. That 15% is equivalent to 75 cents off. And then in addition to that, there is a $3 coupon. So at the register, you're paying $1.24. In addition to that, you're going to submit to IBOTTA for $1.50 back. So right now, already, this is a 26-cent moneymaker. So with the coupon, the 15% back and the $1.50 from Ibotta, this is a moneymaker of 26 cents. Then you're going to go over and you're going to pick up a pack of these Skintimate razors. These Skintimate razors are $6.49 for these razors. There is a $4 Target Circle offer on the app. So already easy deal. You're already saving $4 just by using the Target app. So your total to register so far is going to be $2.49. You'll submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back. That's going to leave you to pay $1.74. Next item you're going to pick up is the Clean and Clear. This is the Morning Burst. It's the cheapest one. These are $5.99. Ibotta, there is a $2 Ibotta rebate on these. It can be done up to multiple times if you want, but I only got it once. Then on the Target app, there is a $2.50 coupon on the Clean and Clear. So with the $2.50 coupon and the $2 back from Ibotta, that's going to make this Clean and Clear just $1.49. Last item you're going to get for the buy four, get a $5 gift card is the Tresemme hairspray. Anytime this coupon comes up in my gallery, I'm always looking for deals on it. So this Tresemme hairspray is the smaller bottle. It's $4.99 each. There is a $3 coupon on the Target app. That $3 coupon is going to make you pay just $1.99 at the register for the hairspray. So if you were to get all four of these items that I just talked about in the video, it's going to make this a total moneymaker for this transaction. So it's going to be, let me do my calculations here, a total of 4 cents in a moneymaker, which is an awesome deal on these. I can't believe we were able to get a moneymaker off of this, because remember, we're getting that $5 gift card after everything's said and done. So great scenario, great transaction on these 4 items. That is all I have for you to get today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to this video. I appreciate it so much. When you guys watch my videos all the way through, it helps for me to keep bringing these videos back to you every single week. Please make sure you share with your friends, because right now we're dealing with some crazy prices at the grocery store, and we need to combat inflation together and save money together. This is a dream and passion of mine, guys, to just save money and help others, and I hope I am doing that for you. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.